in class last week, just adding in some instructions that might be really useful for some of us. So the first instruction is that when we're folding up, we want to think about on one side it going knee, hip, and then to come out hip, knee, versus the other side, hip goes first, then knee, and then to come out knee, hip. So it might be that you just focus on one side and you have it in your mind. The other side is starting at the other end of the thigh bone. So one side is going to fold up knee, hip, and then unfold hip, knee. The other side is going to fold up hip, knee, and unfold knee, hip. Okay? So it is our plank, and then hopping, sliding forward. So I'm going to have my left side go knee, hip, my right side go hip, knee as I fold up here. And it's a lot easier to fold into myself, rotate into myself, if I'm not doing the same joint going first on both sides. Create some space. And then to come out, I'm going to go knee, hip, hip, knee on this side. So it might be that you just think about one side, but it makes the folding up a lot easier, okay? The other thing that for an instruction that can be useful is don't try to keep your core braced. Relax it as the legs fold into you, because your spine has got to flex for you to get your legs to come through into your hands. So if I think of trying to keep my trunk stiff, even if I go and work the folding of the legs the way we did a second ago, it's a lot harder, and I'll feel a lot more kind of quad engagement than if I think relax the torso, and even the sense of xiphoid's gonna go back as I bring the feet forward. Okay, so relax the torso, fold it up. Then you get right up and into yourself here. Okay, so relax the torso, the legs come up, we fold into ourselves a lot easier. Okay, same with if I'm going to step forward in, say, down dog. I'm in slippy socks, but if I'm here and I want to step forward, I'm going to relax the torso, and that leg comes through a lot easier than if I think of trying to brace or stay stiff through my core. Okay? Give those instructions a try. If both legs is kind of a lot of coordination and that's not quite there yet, play with it of just working one side and those instructions. So I'm going to go my left side, knee, hip, and then to straighten back out, hip, knee, okay? And I'm just doing one side at a time. So I'm going to go from plank, relax my trunk, so I can do one leg for some reps, and then the other leg, or you could alternate them, or both together. So give those iterations a try, notice what you notice, and I'd love to hear what you discover. Bye.